In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust alignment print checks in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change so your printed details land in the right boxes on your check stock without trial and error. Start in QuickBooks by opening the item you plan to print. This can be an invoice, a sales receipt, an estimate, or even a report. While these aren't checks themselves, the print controls you'll use are the same ones that affect how your checks line up, because QuickBooks relies on your printer's settings to place content on the page. Once the transaction is open, choose Print or Preview. The preview is your friend here. It shows you, before you waste any check paper, how things will position on the page. When the print window appears, look for Printer Properties or More Settings. Different browsers and printer drivers label this a bit differently, but it's typically a button or link near the top or along the right side of the print panel. Open that area to access the deeper layout controls you need for alignment. Find the paper size option. From the available sizes, select A5, which is 148 by 210 millimeters. Choosing the correct paper size is the foundation of proper alignment because it tells your printer the exact canvas it should expect. With A5 selected, the layout engine places the payee, date, and amount fields where your check stock anticipates them, reducing the chance of text drifting into the wrong boxes. Next, set the orientation. You can choose portrait or landscape. The preview will immediately reflect your choice, so pick the one that matches how your check stock feeds through your printer. If you're not sure, glance at the on-screen preview and match it to the physical paper you're using. Now adjust the scale if needed. Fit to page is a reliable starting point because it resizes the content to match the sheet dimensions you set earlier. If the preview shows that content is slightly high or low, or nudging too close to an edge, a small scale change can tighten it up. Make modest adjustments and watch the preview with each change so you can see the impact before you print. When everything looks aligned, paper size set to A5, the orientation matching your paper feed, and the scale dialed in, click Print. If the result isn't perfect on the first try, simply return to Printer Properties or More Settings, fine-tune the orientation or scale, and print again. With these settings in place, your checks will consistently print with clean, accurate alignment.